Hi. So you must be bored at home, right? Okay. Okay. So I want to introduce you to chapter 6. Why 6? Why we skip? Actually, we haven't finished chapter 4. We haven't done chapter 5. Why did we do chapter 6? Because this is one of the chapter that you have to practice for months before you can be good in it. Okay? So let me introduce you. Actually, this chapter you have learned, okay, when you were in standard 6. Okay, how did I teach you? At that time, I will tell you is that empty box plus 3 equals 6. What is the value for empty box? 3. You just guess like that. Okay? Or sometimes I taught you, you have to write down 2/3 times empty box equals 6. How do you solve this?
Box.
You move this value to the other side, it becomes?
Box.
Okay, box become?
6 times 3/2.
Yes. Okay? Like that. Okay. So so today what you have to understand is that instead of empty box, we use algebra. Because algebra and empty box are the same. Okay, so let me introduce you to all of this value. Okay. So again, x. Okay, this is example 1. What? So I'm using what plus 3 equals 6. Okay, you guess 3. So what I want to know now is that you can move this value to the other side. You can move it. Okay, you can move it to the other side. It becomes -3. Positive 3, move to the other side, become -3. Okay, so it's the same. 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? 3. Isn't it? So now, I want you to guess. What minus 3 equals 6? 9. That is correct. But then, I want you to do now. You move this -3 equals 6 plus 3. So what? Let x is here. Understand? Alright? So negative move become positive. So it become 9. So far, you are guessing the numbers. Understand? Because later on, what we have, let's say, we have big number. So you cannot never guess anymore. You have to move like I'm doing here. Okay, so number 3. What happen if we multiply? For example, 3 times what equals 24?
Eight.
8. Okay, so now I want you to do, if this is multiply, you move, it become divide. So the answer is 8. Okay. Number 4, if what divide by 3 equals 24. Now you do not know. You have to use this method. Okay? If divide, you move to the other side, become multiply. So x is 24 times 3. What is 24 times 3? 72. Okay, right. So you have to know this first. Alright? All this. Okay. Later on, okay, what happen if we have a more complicated one? Okay? So, for example, I would say 2 times what? Plus 3 equals 6. Okay, for this one, we have to eliminate the plus minus. Which one is plus minus? First, you have to identify algebra is here. Algebra with 2 is multiplication. And then with 3 is just plus 3. Understand? So, you have to move 3 first. Okay, how to eliminate 3? You move 3, it become
Negative.
negative 3. Then you calculate. So we say 2x equals 3. So x equals 3 over 2. Understand? Okay. So question number 2. Let's talk about when algebra is on the left side and the right side. We have 2x plus 4 equals 6 minus 2x. Okay, now it's more complicated. Can you guess? Can you guess? Just guess. Guess a value that will
Zero.
fulfill 0. So 2 times 0 will be 0. You get 4 here. So 2 times 0 will be 0. 6 on the side. 4 on the left side and 6 on the right side. They are not equal.
Negative.
Okay, for your info, I also do not know. Okay, so let's say like this. What you have to do, you have to bring all the algebra to one side. Okay, so if I were to bring negative 2x to the other side, become what? Positive 2x. We are not separating between 2 and x. We bring the whole thing here. So 2x plus 2x equals 6 minus 4. Do you understand this? Do you understand this? Okay, negative. What I want you to know is that I'm bringing all the algebra to one side, all the numbers to one side. Negative 2x become positive 2x. 4 become negative 4. Okay, now, okay. I'm not saying that you have to understand now. So, what you have to do now, calculate. Can you add 2x with 2x? You don't have to use calculator. If you were to use calculator, you just add 2 and 2. What is 2 plus 2?
4.
4. But the answer is 4x.
Oh.
Anyway, do you know what is the value for 2x plus 4? You cannot add because 2 has x and 4 doesn't have. Okay? Alright. So 6 minus 4?
2.
2. And then if you separate 4 from x, it becomes 2 over 4.
1 over 2.
So the answer is 1 over
2.
Okay, so that's all for the intro.